The Quran's code of justice is built on humans dealing with each other on the basis of fairness and equity. It calls for not merely the justice that is provided through legal means in a court system, but also that quality that must be the foundation of the character of a true Muslim. Building a just character within oneself is essential if one is to be just to others. Such a character would ensure that every individual subjects themselves to accountability against a strict moral scale, in which being just to God, oneself and others is of prime importance. The Quran says, "O you who believe, uphold justice and bear witness to God, even if it is against yourselves, your parents, or your close relatives. Whether the person is rich or poor, God can best take care of both. So refrain from following your own desire, so that you can act justly. And if you distort or neglect justice, God is fully aware of what you do." Chapter 4, verse 153. The Quran also says, "O you who have faith, stand firm for Allah as witnesses in equity, and let not the hatred of people cause you to not be just. Be just, for that is nearer to righteousness." Chapter 5, verse 8.